Hello and welcome to the English Magnet. Today's video, sh versus ch. Exceptions made easy. Typically, one letter corresponds to one sound, but this isn't always true. Often, two letters combine to represent a single sound, like SH for the shushing heard in every library, shh, quiet, and CH like the sound of a steam engine, choo-choo. So in this video, we'll focus on these sounds and their various spelling patterns. Even though these sounds are relatively simple, identifying the different spellings is crucial for mastering English. So we'll especially pay attention to the numerous exceptions. Let's get to it. Sh sound. The sh sound in English can be represented by several different spelling patterns. So the same sound, but different spellings. Here are some common ones. SH, the most direct and common representation of the sh sound. It's found in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of words. Examples: shoe, wish, shine, cushion. CH. Occasionally, this pattern represents the sh sound, especially in words derived from French. Examples: machine, chef, mustache, parachute, brochure. TI. When followed by a vowel, this pattern can produce the sh sound. It's very common in the TION ending. Examples: nation, station, partial, patient, fraction. CI. Similarly, this pattern produces the sh sound when followed by a vowel. Examples: special, official, precious, artificial, physician. SSI. This pattern can also represent the sh sound, often in SSION endings. Examples: mission, passion, discussion, expression, aggression. Exceptions. You can also encounter very odd spellings, which still give the sh sound. CE. Examples: ocean, crustacean. CHS. Example: fuchsia. SC. Example: crescendo. SS. Examples: tissue, issue, pressure. SE. Example: nauseous. I. Examples: anxious, noxious. Note the pattern: XIOUS. S. Examples: sugar, sure, insurance. Finally, watch out for words that don't have the sh sound, but do have the SH spelling. These are usually a prefix merging with a root word, but the SH letters are part of different syllables, like in mishandle or dishonor. It's just a coincidence that the prefix ends in S and the root word begins with H, but no sh sound here. Ch sound. The ch sound in English can be represented by several different spelling patterns. Again, the same sound, different spellings. Let's look at them. CH, the most direct and common representation of the ch sound. It's found at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of words. Examples: church, cheese, much, nachos. TCH. Sometimes this pattern represents the ch sound, especially at the end of words or the middle, but never in the beginning. Examples: match, kitchen, stitch. T, often in the ending T-U-R-E, T-U-E, or T-U-A-L. T sounds like ch. Examples: nature, infrastructure, picture. Statue, virtue. Punctual, mutual, eventually. Century and fortune. They've got their own thing going. C or CC in some words from Italian. Examples: cello, cappuccino, ciabatta, ciao. But pistachio, which is Italian, follows the French word rule, so sh sound. T in S-T-I-O-N. Normally, T-I-O-N endings result in sh, but the S before the ending changes it to ch. Examples: question, suggestion, combustion. Last but not least, watch out for words that don't have the ch sound, but do have the ch spelling. As we saw earlier, French words are your usual suspects, like champagne or charade, which have the sh sound. Moreover, words of Greek origin tend to sound ch like k, such as school, architect, and echo. To add to the confusion, sometimes ch is silent, like in yacht. So there you have it, sh and ch in all their spelling glory. Keep the patterns in mind next time you're reading, and feel free to add an exception we haven't included in the comments below. Hopefully, this has been helpful. A link to some free material to practice by yourselves can be found in the description below. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Until next time.